Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. So today we're in the Integra, and what I want to do is I want to take out this whole dash. Never done it before, like ever. Honestly, I don't even really know where to start. I've been watching videos and stuff and seeing how to take it out. I know where these glove box ones are, somewhere in ashtray or whatever, but I'm really gonna just learn as I go. And yeah, I want to take this all out and I want to spray paint it black. I'm gonna take all this out, spray paint it black, door panels black. It's gonna be a bit of a time consumer and all that, but I just want to get this done, get all this black. This is gonna go black to the headliner, these. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff black. Hopefully by today it'll be done. Let's get started with taking it up. All right, so what you will need is a Phillips head, obviously a socket wrench, a 14. Oh shit, okay. And a 10 millimeter. Let me get that. But yeah, let's get started on this process. I've never done this before. Like I said, this is my first time, so it might take longer than expected. I've never done this. It's gonna be a pain. Let's get to it. One thing I forgot to mention is you will need a flathead to get that up. You open this up, well, yeah, I can't get that. But yeah, you will need a flathead for that, and honestly, that's it, so let's get back. All right, so a little update. We got this out, our compartment thingy, whatever the hell this is, all center console. See, we got that back there. So next is, what is next? I don't know. I'm still learning as we go, so let's do it. Don't be like me and work with all this wiring and stuff without taking off your battery first. course, we're gonna do this now. Wow. All right, so just a little update. We got the dash out. Pain in the ass. Honestly, I don't even know how to put a lot of this stuff back in. But like I said, I'm just gonna learn as I go, and hopefully everything goes according to plan when I put it back in. But other than that, whew, it was a pain. At least I got it out though, you know. It's a lot of shit. Next step is painting. So let's get right into that. All right, so I masked off everything for this. It's getting ready for paint. Gotta clean it just a little more, and see I masked off all the wiring and stuff. I did this, just one coat. I did a pretty heavy coat. I didn't really mean to, but so far it's looking, oh shit, I didn't do that side.
You dumbass motherfucker.
I mean, that doesn't really matter because that's the cover, but yeah, getting that done. I also got to do the other cover. I don't know where it's at. And I got to do these two. And then get this. All right, so first we're going to apply this adhesion promoter. I guess it helps for when you have this, and it lasts longer. That's all I know. So we're going to apply I'm going to do 2 coats. kind of overkill with that. That's first coat of this. I'm just gonna do one more and then I'm gonna get the spray painting, but yeah. I hope this turns out very, very well, because first things first, I'm not the best spray painter. I've only spray painted like one thing in my life, and that was my door handles, but hopefully it turns out well. Alright, so I just finished the first coat. My camera cut off because my iPhone storage is pretty full. This is the first coat. I did a little bit of mess up, but I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know. I want it black. That's really all that matters. But it actually looks like amazing. First coat is on point. I did the center console as well, the little pieces. I still have a ton more pieces to go though. But glove box has scratches all over it. Damn it, I scratched it. But yeah, that cover's been sitting here forever, but this cover came out nice. Let me go in the sun. Yeah, that came out nice. But yeah, we're waiting for this first coat to dry. I'm gonna give it like 10 minutes, 10, 15, and then I'm gonna go at it again. I'm gonna hit about 2 to 3 coats on it. I'm gonna do 3 coats because I did 3 coats of the, where's it at? This adhesion promoter. And yeah, so hopefully it sticks. But yeah, first coat, oh, forgot that. But yeah. So we got dash, steering wheel pieces, center console, ECU pieces, and need to get these done, these little side panels, and then that's gonna be it for today. I'll probably end up doing the side panels in the back seats and the headliner, and then I'll do the carpet next week. But other than that, everything turned out really, really good. Like, look at this. I only did 2 coats. Looks like it just came out the factory type shit. Oh, damn. Look at that.
She doesn't want to, and they have my mic.
Alright, so it's a few days later, and this is the dash. Only 2 coats. Like I said, I've never took this apart before, so I kind of messed a few things up, obviously. Like, look at this. This just, this little, this little thing right here broke, and it won't go back on, so that kind of sucks. But, yeah, everything looks great. I'm gonna get a new one of these, new e-brake. I'm gonna get a new steering wheel and all that. Hopefully all this stuff comes off. I can repaint that. Door panels are next, side panels, headliner, and then these back panels back here I need to do. And then my carpet. And then I'll be set with the interior that I like. Other than that, I love the way this shit looks. Honestly, it looks pretty nice. Like this is how it came or something. I might have to do one more coat someday, but for now they look fine. Like, look at this. It's horrible on this side. But other than that, I'm happy with the finished product. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update of what it looked like for today's video. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. I have no shirt on, so. But yeah, please share my videos if you enjoy them. I'm trying to get more recognition out there and more attention to my channel, you know. I also have an Instagram. One is SlowKids904. That's like my group. Rexa, same as my channel name, and then Rexa with 2 H's. That's my photography page. Yeah, make sure you go follow those guys, and I'm out.